here we have a very rare amplifier. It's made in Newcastle in the 70s and 80s by Burman amplification. These are top of the range, top quality, the best of the best. These are, there's nothing skimped in these. Everything's, when you look inside this, it must have been a really expensive to manufacture. They're just great. They just sound absolutely fantastic. This is the Pro 2000 100 watt version. It's the most heaviest amplifier I've ever had to move. In fact, it was so heavy we couldn't even get up the stairs. That's why I had to repair it here in the conservatory. Move that out of the way. It was not working at all when I got it. So basically I had a lot of wiring issues I had to repair. This was made in, came off production line in May 1976. Several valves were failed. Some were even the original ones from the actual day it left the factory. All the capacitors, the high voltage ones, were shot to bits. Somebody had had a go with a soldering iron in the past and made a right hash of the wire, and I had to redo that. Some of these red knobs, see these ones here? They were missing off the top. I managed to resource original ones for them. They arrived in the post this morning. This amplifier's been sitting there ready for about a week. I'm just waiting for these parts to arrive. It's like two channel. You've got just a basic clean channel here, gain, bass and treble. It's just a straightforward clean channel. You've got cut controls on both channels, but nobody runs it dark, everybody runs it bright. And you've got this second channel. It's got 3 stages of gain, so you can really rev this thing up if you want to. It's incredibly loud. I mean, massively powerful amplifier. It's got terrific tone. I'm just going to play a few little ditties here and there so you can hear what it sounds like. We're in channel 2. I mean, it's Saturday morning, so I'm not going to wind it up too loud. But there we go. I'm trying to think. Great tone, as you can probably hear. I hope it comes through on the phone recording, but here in the room it sounds great. That's what you do. Yeah, I love the sound. It's terrific. Bye.